Hey my beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into a powerful detox juice recipe using fresh whole ingredients to help energize your body, support digestion, and give your skin that glow from within. First up is the Beet Energy Boost, a vibrant, nutrient-packed juice that helps fuel your body and support detoxification. We're starting with red apples, which are high in fiber, antioxidants. They're naturally sweet. They help support digestion and give our juice that smooth, crisp flavor. Some people don't prefer the taste of beets, which I understand. It does have that earthy type of taste. So adding some pineapple and apples to the mix will help balance out that flavor and make it so delicious and refreshing. Next, we have beets, a powerhouse root veggie rich in folate, iron, and nitrates, which can help boost endurance, improve blood flow, and support liver detoxification. Of course, I make sure that I wash all of my produce. Now, I have a video on how I wash my produce and what I use. Be sure to check that out. It'll be linked below. After I wash my produce, I like to, if I have to, peel the outer layer. Like beets, they grow in the ground, in the dirt. I prefer to peel the outer layer to give it that smooth taste, because you see all of that. I can scrub it real good, but that dirt is like stuck on there, and it's just, I prefer it just a clean, smooth, fresh juice. Then there's pineapple. One ripe pineapple adds tropical sweetness and bromelain, an enzyme that helps break down protein, reduce inflammation, and support gut health. We're also adding one lemon, a citrus detoxifier rich in vitamin C. Lemon not only supports immune health, but also alkalizes the body and balances the earthiness of the beets. And finally, 1-inch piece of ginger, a digestive aid and anti-inflammatory root that brings warmth and helps the body fight off toxins. Now, while everything's being juiced, let's talk about the benefits of detox juicing. Juicing gives your digestive system a break while flooding your body with vitamins, things like minerals and antioxidants in a quick and absorbable form. That's why I love juicing. You can eat these fruits and vegetables whole, you know what I mean, in a fruit salad or anything like that, an actual salad. But I prefer to juice as well, just because your body absorbs it faster. It's an amazing way to reset, reduce inflammation, hydrate on a deeper level, and give your body the raw nutrients it craves, especially when you're feeling sluggish, heavy, or in need of a natural energy boost. So that's perfect for during the summertime. If y'all are having a good time, going to events, celebrations, special occasions, on vacation, and you're eating kind of, off balance, off track, this is a perfect way to add a reset to your body. For me personally, I like to drink these juices first thing in the morning. You can also use this as some people use it as a meal replacement, or you can use it as a juice as you're eating something healthy like a salad or anything like that. It's very refreshing and it is good for you. Also, it's a good replacement instead of drinking sugary juice. So I definitely love drinking this in the morning, breaking my fast. After, I take my vitamins and minerals and things, I still go in and drink one of these detox juices. It's very fulfilling, it's refreshing, and it's, to be honest, perfect for summertime. These last about 3 to 4 days. Depends on how many you're making. I would suggest making juice fresh just because you don't want it to lose its nutrients if you're freezing it. I know some people freeze it, but I feel like you lose the minerals and all the good stuff in there. Next up is the Mean Green Machine Detox Juice, an immune supporting, skin clearing, deeply nourishing juice that's perfect for daily detox. We start with cucumber, which is incredibly hydrating, high in silica and supporting kidney and skin health. Then celery stalk, known for its cleansing effect on the liver and digestive system. Celery is alkaline and full of minerals like potassium and magnesium. Kale comes next, one of the most nutrient-dense greens on the planet. It's high in chlorophyll, iron, and vitamin C, perfect for supporting blood health and natural detoxification. Then we have one lemon again, bright, zesty, and rich in vitamin C to help boost the immune system and enhance absorption of iron and kale. We're also adding 8 to 10 green apples, which is tart, cleansing, and rich in polyphenols. They balance the bitterness of the kale and make the juice more palatable. And finally, a bit more ginger for that warming, digestion supporting kick. As the green machine flows through the juicer, let's talk about the power of this blend. This juice helps alkalize the body and flush out toxins, improves digestion, and even supports clearer skin. It's amazing for daily use or whenever you need that, bounce back, pick me up from a weekend of overindulgence. And if you're new to juicing, investing in a juicer can truly upgrade your wellness game. It's a commitment to self-care and the ability to create your own fresh juice at home, giving you that control over ingredients, flavor, and nutrients. And there you have it, 2 of my go-to detox juices that I love incorporating into my wellness routine. Whether you're looking for more energy, glowing skin, or a digestive reset, these recipes are a powerful way to nourish your body from the inside out. Now, I hope you all enjoyed this style video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might be in need of a little detox love in their life. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite juice combo or your favorite ingredient to juice with. I'd love to try out your suggestions in a future video. Also, for more recipes like this and healthy style meal preps, healthy style snack ideas, I also have healthy trackers, tracking your mental health, tracking your fitness journey, tracking your daily work. I have meal plans for keto based, plant based, and just regular meal plans. Go ahead and look in my description box. I have a link there for you guys where you can purchase my ebook. I have an ebook that has so many recipes, so much information that is so good for you, the benefits of each ingredient that you're incorporating into your diet. And it's the perfect thing, your go-to that you need for wellness. So make sure you give that a try. If you do, let me know in the comment. And don't forget to subscribe for more wellness, food, and lifestyle content just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay nourished and stay glowing.